The benefits of electric vehicles. 5 to 6 tau. Electric vehicles offer numerous benefits that are driving their adoption worldwide. Environmental impact. EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions, reducing air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. As the energy grid becomes greener with more renewable energy sources, the environmental benefits of EVs will increase. Lower operating costs. EVs have fewer moving parts compared to gasoline cars, resulting in lower maintenance costs. Additionally, the cost of electricity is generally lower than gasoline, leading to cheaper fueling. Energy efficiency. Electric motors are more efficient than internal combustion engines, converting 85–90% of electrical energy into motion, while traditional gasoline engines only convert about 30%. Quiet operation. EVs produce significantly less noise than gasoline vehicles, reducing urban noise pollution and creating quieter driving experiences. Electric vehicles are a win for the environment, consumers, and urban quality of life. The technology behind EVs. 6 to 7 SAs. At the heart of electric vehicles lies battery technology, which has seen rapid advancements in recent years. Lithium-ion batteries. Most electric vehicles today use lithium-ion batteries, which offer higher energy density, longer life cycles, and faster charging times compared to older technologies. Battery management systems, BMS. BMS technology helps manage the performance and longevity of batteries, ensuring that they remain safe and efficient throughout their lifespan. Charging infrastructure. The expansion of fast charging networks and innovations like wireless charging are making it easier and faster to recharge EVs, addressing one of the biggest concerns for potential buyers, range anxiety.